I'm tired of seeing my works being aligned in the suggestion box where the AI slap stories are placed. I actually watched some of the AI slap stories and I noticed that some has no consistency and the proper structure of story to make the struggles and scenes sensible. It's like AI just simply put everything together that the prompter thinks is impressive, and it didn't help because it just shows that the prompter is lacking of creative sense. Too much toxic positivity, bland and common conflict, perverted and shallow-minded context. Seems like AI can't cure their deficiency in creativity. When it comes to educational AI channels, it's either the content has been made by someone long time ago, they're just going to change some words and line, or it will surely give you a wrong information compiled with facts, so it will easily fool you. For this, I want to change the name of this channel so I can get away from those AI slaps. I will not be going to be incorporated by those. But out of curiosity, I tried to Google if I'm going to change the name of this channel, will it going to affect the viewers, the statistics, the subscription, all of that. Although most of the suggestions said it's okay, but there are some confessions and experiences by real people. Take note, real people, that their views and statistics drastically reduce. I don't know how much, but certainly it reduced. And by the way, it is a confession of a real person, not suggested or generated by Gemini. For someone who wants to be monetized in fair, slow, and organic way, risking a measly statistic that I have right now is heartbreaking if ever I lost it. So I decided I'll just going to change the name of my channel right after that I've been monetized. So it means that I need to reach a certain number of views and subscriptions in less than a year. And I will achieve it with your help, of course. This video is supposedly to inform you that I'm going to change the name of this channel, but after those confessions and statements, I decided to just keep this hard to retain name of the channel, current name of this channel. And by the way, I'm planning to make a Valentine's special vlog, and this is about a certain topic that I'm dearly passionate talking about, be it my students or my co-workers. It'll be a long and well-made video, so hopefully you can watch it from start to finish. This vlog is intended to be this short because I just want to tell you something about my supposedly plans and what I'm cooking recently. And as usual, can you like this video, watch the other videos that I created, and subscribe if you haven't yet for me.